you ready to meet and greet with our lovely and bubbly Prince School from Japan? Let's have welcome Lola Chan! Her audience! Alright, audience! Let's go Lola Chan sa likuran. Follow line behind Lola Chan po. Follow line behind Lola Chan. Hi! Alright, okay. Okay, Lola Chan is a five-year-old pink shrimp from Japan. Okay, your favorite food is strawberry. Okay, follow line behind Lola Chan is Lola Chan, let's invite all the kids na dito. Hi! Okay, come on. Let's follow Lola Chan. Come on, I'm ready to Lola Chan. One line only. Ayan. Awak na kids. Hi! Ay, ate kami. Let's go na. Ayan, kila kayo yung sa likod ni Lola Chan. Okay. Hey, Lola Chan, let's invite the kids naman na papasok ka lang. Sa mga kids na papasok ka lang, we are inviting mo na sumama sa amin ni Lola Chan. Hi! Look, kila kayo sa likod ni Lola Chan. Ayan. Okay, Lola Chan, dito naman tayo sa naming area. Okay. Hi, kids! Okay. Lola Chan is inviting you to join us here in our event area. We will have an activity this afternoon. Alright. Come here, Lola Chan. Okay, kids, raise your hands. Dali, raise your hands. Ayan. Dito muna ba sa harap ni Lola Chan? Dito tayo lakad sa harap. Ayan, very good. Okay. Hello, kids! Hi! Okay. Ayan, ayusin mo na natin ang aming mga kids. Okay. Lola Chan, let's invite the kids na remaining kids po. Okay, calling all the kids po here in our event area. We will count in 10. Dapat nandito na po kayo lahat. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Lola Chan, are you excited today? Okay, how about the kids? Are you excited? Okay, excited na sila Lola Chan. Okay, but first, let me introduce our event team. Hello, my name is Kuya G. I am your host for today. Kasama ko si Ate Lewa and si Ate Sheila. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating main character from Japan. Sino excited makilala ang ating main character? Sino excited makilala si? 1, 2, 3, Lola Chan! Hi! Okay. Alright, excited sila Lola Chan, oh? Okay, Lola Chan is a very friendly, lovely, and bubbly pink squirrel from Japan, and she loves playing with her friends. That's why she is here to play with your kids. Okay, Lola Chan.
Sir, sa labas lang po muna tayo, sir. Thank you.
Sino ba ito mahilig mag-dance?
Ma'am, sa labas lang po muna tayo para ma-occupy po.
Kaya naman, Lola Chan, please pakademo mo sa mga ating warm-up dance ngayon. Okay, kids, mga bebe. March pa lang. March, march, march. March, march, march. And next natin, Lola Chan. Okay, touch your hands and wave your body. And next natin, Lola Chan, touch your shoulder na po. And, yan. Then next, rub your belly. Okay, rub your back. Okay, anong sunod natin, Lola Chan? Sway your hands, right? Sway your hands down. Okay? 2 times po yun. And next natin, Lola Chan. Jump up 2 times. Jump down 2 times. Okay, kids? You get the wild dance steps? Nakuha niyo po ba ang steps natin? Okay, so let's proceed. Ate Sheila, music please. Okay, kids, warm up. Warm up tayo. March, march, march. March, 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 march. Yeah.
Shake your hands, shake your feet. One more time. Touch your tummy.
bilis mo yung lalat. So, nakita mo yun? Okay, there. Sit down muna tayo. Sit down muna tayo. And let's do an inhale, exhale naman. Okay? Kids, sit down muna tayo. And relax muna tayo. And listen sa gagawin namin nilalaksan. But first, inhale, exhale muna tayo. Ano? Okay, 1, 2, 3, inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Very good naman nilalaksan. Okay, sino ang gusto yung malaman ng ating game ngayon? Sino excited na? Okay. Lalat siya, excited ka na ba? Okay, excited na si Lalat siya. So, okay kids, sita muna kayo, sita muna. Sita na muna baby girl. Okay. Okay, sita na muna ate. Sita na muna kayo, sita. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? Ano to? Anong tawag dito? Okay, rope. Anong kulay ng rope? Color red. How about this? Anong kulay nito? Ayan. Red yung rope. Yellow yung marker. So, anong game natin ngayon? Tug of war. Okay. So, sa tug of war, we have 2 teams. Team ni Ate Sheila will be our team A. Team ni Ate Leo will be our team B. So, kapag sinabi ko, hold the rope lang po muna. Ano? Wala mo nang hihila. And all you have to do is to get 2 points para manalo. Okay? Practice muna tayo. Demo muna namin. Sagot. Hold the rope lang. Okay, as you can see, we have the marker. Kung kaninong side mapupunta yun, kanino lang mapupunta yung 1 point. Okay? Sige, hold the rope. 1, 2, 3, go! Hold the rope. Ayan. Okay, andito na sa side yung marker natin. Okay, when I count 15 hanggang 0, pag natapos ako magbilang, andito na yung marker. Kanina napunta yung point. Kanina. Kay Team A. So in this game, all you have to do is to get 2 points para manalo kayo. Okay? Okay. Sige, ano yung alam siya? Meron tayong demo sa kanila, ano? Okay. Kids, meron dapat tayong kailangang sultin bago tayo mag-start ng game, ano? So, meron tayong safety reminders na kailangang sultin. Pero ito demo muna ni Lalatsan. Ano yan, Lalatsan? Okay, ano na po yung kids? No? No jumping! Ang galing naman ni ate, kabisado na yata ni Adam. Next natin Lalatsan. No? No pushing! Very good naman. Okay, next natin Lalatsan. Ano daw yun? Pull the rope carefully and hold it carefully. Ano next natin ang the most important Lalatsan. Enjoy the rest of the game. Okay. Everybody stand up. Stand up na tayo, kids. And we will get into the groups now. Ate Sheila, guide our kids from biggest to smallest. And Ate Clara, guide them from smallest to biggest naman. Alright. Ikutan natin. Find your teammates. Okay, find your teammates kanina. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, ito na po yun. Yan. Okay, arms forward, kids. Arms forward. Okay. Okay, maayos ang pila ng ating team B. Okay, Lalatsan ito muna kayo sa team A. Ayun. Hi, team A! Hi! Okay, so ngayon, meron tayong... Ano sisigaw natin? Ate Sheila? Go, team A! Go, team A! Okay nga, kayo naman. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Dapat mas malakas lang may ano. So, Lalatsan, dito naman tayo. Hi, baby! Hi! Okay, so kung may sinisigaw ang ating team, ay meron na kayo sinisigaw. Ano yung ating nawa? Yeah! Go, Team B! Go, Team B! Okay, kayo naman. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, nakita mo yung lalas, ha? Okay. Okay, sino excited na maglaro? Raise your hands! Alright. Okay, lalas, excited ka na ba? Okay. Ang place natin is our red drop area. Okay, remember our safety reminders. No jumping, no pushing. Follow carefully and enjoy the rest of the game. So, let's listen to the red drop area. For the right, Alice player. Okay, let me hear your cheers, kids. Go, team A. Go, team B. Go, team A. Alright, narinig mo sa taas. Ayan. Okay, we're going to see you later. Okay. Lagi ko ng konti dito, kids. Lagi ko ng konti dito. Ayan, very good. Alas tayo. Kapit ka dito, konti lang siya. Okay. Okay, meron ko muna ng rope. Okay, raise your hands, kids. Raise your hands. Good job, team A. Good job, team B. Okay. So, team B, are you ready? Team A, are you ready? How about the gadgets? Are you ready? Okay. Alexan, are you ready? Okay. So, hold the rope. Hold the rope na. Okay. Hold on muna. Hold on muna. Sabi ko yung gadget. Okay. Hold the rope. In 3, 2, 1, go! Move the rope. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, everybody raise your hands. Raise your hands, kids. Ayan, okay, raise your hands na. Okay, nalagyan sino nanalo sa first round natin? Alright, pwede na nanonood sila ng maalam. Joke lang. Okay, yan na naman sa first round natin is Team B! Grab your hands! Ayan, ang dali naman hindi natin doon. One more. Okay lang yan, Team A. We still have second round, okay? Okay, let's it. Hold the rope na, hold the rope. Hold on muna. Wait lang. Hold the rope muna. Lapit kayo ng konti. Ayan. Lapit kayo dito konti kayo. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Kids, raise your hands. Yeah, raise your hands, raise your hands. How about the second round, Alexan? Nakukuha mo na siguro ng tao, ano? Okay, sino na lang sa second round? Congratulations, team A. You have 1 point na rin. Okay? It's okay, baby. Meron pa tayo ang tiebreaker round. Okay, are you ready, team A? Team B, are you ready? Okay. Lapit ko na kayo ng lapit para parang sa wala. Okay. Raise your hands, raise your hands muna. Lapit ko ng lapit dito. Okay. Ayan. Hold the rope. Hold the rope lang muna. Okay, this is the final round. Okay, who wins in this round? Win our game, okay? So, let's go in 3, 2, 1, go! Go, Brian! 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our kids, remember, when you're here in Kitsuna, everyone is a winner. Okay, don't worry if you lose our game. Every one of you is winner. Yeah? Okay, sabi tayo dito naman siya. Okay, hi, ba naman na may kids kailangan siya, ha? Hi! Yan, hi, ba naman tayo. It's okay lang. It's okay, kids. Alright. Okay. Okay, now let's give them our winner. Let's give them a five claps and a very good. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go! 1. Very good. Okay, congratulations again. Okay, dito naman tayo sa ating winner. Happy tayo niya. Good job, wala kasi mong winner. Ayan. Okay, so ginaling natin naman ang ating team A. So bibigyan natin sila kuya na 3 claps and a good job. Okay? Okay, kids, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, good job. Okay, okay, follow line ha? We will go up to our next area. Follow line, no jumping, no running, okay? No pushing, of course. Okay, careful na dyan. Let's go, let's go. Okay, kids. Follow line, be careful. Ayan. Excited ko rin sila akin. So, napaka-energetic naman nilalat dyan. Ayan, nakita lang yung bibigyan namin. Dito kayo lahat. Wala. Upo. Tataasan natin ang ating kamay. Okay, dito tayo lahat. Dali. Ayan, dito tayo lahat. Okay, ang gagaling naman. Pilit naman ang ating mga kids. Ayan. Okay. Okay, kids, raise your hands. Natalie, raise your hands. Okay. Andito na po ba lahat? Ay, naka pa. Okay, dito kayo lagi ko ng konti. Ayan. Okay. Okay, sino po gusto pa isang game? Okay, bukas naman yun. Ano? Okay, ano yung lalat siya? Okay, sabi na lalat siya? Meron daw po siyang regalo sa inyong lahat. But first, we have to accept her special request. Meron siyang special request is to dance with her the favorite dance. Ano yun? Lobby's version is Lala Chan's favorite. Okay? Magdadance muna tayo back before natin matisip ang ating game. Okay? Sige. Lala Chan, are you ready to dance? Okay, Ate Sheila. Music please. Okay, kids. Raise your hand. Okay, raise your hands now. And gayahin natin si Lala Chan. Okay, once again, raise your hand. Yeah, let's get ready to jump. Let's go. Okay, lower. Appear, disappear. Yeah. Okay, left side. Left side. Yeah. Touch your shoulder. Touch your head. And jump. Wave your hands. Shake it. Yeah. Okay, feet. March. Very good. Let's jump. Let's go. Wave your hands. Okay, side please. Okay, good up. Good up. Okay, let's go. Raise your hand. Everybody, let's go. And turn around. Okay, let's go, let's go. Everybody say, hooray! Okay, everybody sit down. Okay, sit down. Okay, lapit kayo ng konti dito, kids. Lapit kayo ng konti. Alright. Okay, ano nakikita niyo? Ano to? Anong kulay ng box? Tingin, anong kulay yung ilalat siya? of course, color pink. Ayan. Okay. Lalatsan, use your gift na para sa kanila. Okay, kids. Okay, in order for us to open the box, erase na natin ang hands natin. Walang tatayo. I-intay lang natin ang ating gift na dumating. Okay? And, lalatsan, may pamamaha ka ba sa kanila? Okay, kids, cover your eyes also. Ayan. Okay, lapit kayo ng konti dito mag-compress tayo para mas madali sa akin. Lapit kayo ng konti, kids. Lapit kayo na pasok mo. Lapit kayo ng konti. Ayan. Okay, meron pa ako nakikita din na cover your eyes. Okay, nasa niyo kayo. Okay, ready? Okay. And, while we're covering our eyes, we will shout the magic word, open, please. Dapat gano'n, dapat malakas. Sige, practice na everybody, close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Ay, lalatsan narinig mo yun? Hindi daw po dapat mas malakas para magbukas. Okay? Cover your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Okay. Okay, like I told you, raise your hands now. Raise your hands. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Yan. Raise your hands. Dance for the boys and the okay, kids, raise your balloons. Ayan. Okay, kids, this time we will have a group pictures with Lalatsan. So, calling all the attention of our guardians, please proceed po sa harapan ng event area para po mapicture namin lang yung kids with Lalatsan. Okay? Okay, kids. So now we will shout Kitsuna, hooray! When I say Kitsuna, we will shout hooray and wave your balloons, then praise your mommies and daddies and give your biggest smile. Okay? Let's have a practice. 1, 2, 3, Kitsuna. One more. Kitsuna. Okay, everybody sit down lang muna kayo. I still have questions for you. Okay, come here. Let's check. Okay. Okay, kasi sino makikita sa'yo? Sino cute mo na mga okay. Okay, sabi mo Lalatsan. Sino ang malapit na daw po mag-birthday sa inyo? Ay, birthday ni Kuya ngayon. Mag-birthday pala ngayon. Lalatsan. Okay, come here. Kuya. Okay, what's your name, Kuya? Ha? Can you call you dito sa namin, ha? Lalat ka na, Kuya. Okay, Kuya James is 11 years old today. So please, we will sing to him our happy birthday song, okay? Happy Sheila, music please. Everybody will sing and wave your balloons while singing, okay? Okay. Alright, everybody sing. Let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ating Kuya. Okay, thank you daw po sa pagkanta ng happy birthday. Okay, Kuya, back to your seats naman. Okay, sino ang gusto mag-birthday party dito sa Kitsuna? Kasama si Lalatsan. Wave your balloons. Ayan, okay. Lalatsan, let's invite parents and guardians. Parents and guardians, good afternoon. Kitsuna SMCD Diet is now open for birthday party reservations. For your inquiries and questions, if you are interested po, please don't hesitate to our counter area section or any partners po wearing pink uniforms, and they'll be happy to assist you po. And also available na po ang gift certificates worth 200 pesos po as a gift for your loved ones. Thank you so much. Okay, kami lalat siya. Okay, hindi na ubus ang balong nilalat siya. Okay, kids, nag-enjoy ba kayo ngayong hapon? Sino babalik sa Kitsuna? Lahat daw sila lalat siya babalik. So, araw-araw ka babalik dito lalat siya. Okay, ano kayo may lalat siya. Okay? Okay, lalat siya is always here every day at 3:15 p.m. even holidays and weekends. Okay? So, it's time to say goodbye to lalat siya as she will going back to Japan kasi meron siyang best friend na nag-birthday. Okay? Okay, kids, are you ready to say your goodbyes to lalat siya? Okay, I'm gonna count in 3 and everybody will say goodbye, okay? 1, 2, 3, goodbye, Lalatcha! Okay, bye kids, and thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed your stay here in Kitsuna, and you're gonna